just saw things happen pretty quick on this hunt. Didn't really have time to get much footage, so I just moved in, got the camera set up, got as close as I could. I was afraid if I wasted any time he would end up in the woods and I wouldn't get another shot at him. So as soon as I got the camera on him and focused, well, I took a crack at him. It was about 25 yards, and I was using my 44 mag. It's a Super Red Hawk. So this was my first handgun kill on video. I've actually killed a couple other animals with a handgun, but I got this one on video. So a couple of quick tips: if you're hunting with a handgun, I would always suggest using ear protection. It's just a good idea. Handguns can really ring your eardrums, so use ear protection. My second tip would be, anytime you're handling these wild hogs, use gloves, rubber gloves. They carry a lot of diseases, and you want to avoid that and have a safe hunt. So hope you enjoyed this hunt. If you'll stay tuned, we'll have more to come. And just remember to subscribe and rate my video.